Hello everyone, welcome to the KS Capital and let's break down our Tuesday trade. So on the Tuesday, on the London session, what we saw is price closed above this on the 15-minute time frame, giving us a change of character. So what in this situation, what I was expecting is price took out this high. I have these liquidity zones. I have this fair value gap as well. So in the starting of the day, I was bearish on my side. I will show you why. Let me just follow. So this was the our this was the price action that we saw in the early morning. So I saw this liquidity sweep and then price reversing this fair value gap. Okay, so I wanted price to come back in this fair value gap and give me a short, nice short before taking out this low, right? The same thing I posted inside my premium telegram. This is my premium like trade alert. You can see it that uh, here and give shorts overview here, right? And I waited for the price to do it work. Let's forward this, and price took out this low, closed a body below this low on the 15 minutes, showing me that price want to go more lower. So I wanted to go long to target this high, right? uh, when price reaches this fair value gap, something like this. Okay, so I was waiting for this as I indicated inside. Now I am looking for buy. Okay, and I waited. I went on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, the price closed below this. I was waiting. Price tapped into this fair value gap, showing me the buy scenarios. So in this situation, what I saw on the 1-minute time frame is we have this liquidity sweep, we have this break of structure, making it a stronger high, right? So price tapped into this fair value gap, giving me more good scenarios on the buy. Let me just set the time zone according to my Indian standard time. So I was just watching the price action, how price want to trade from this. We have this order block. Price went up. Price failed to close above this high, right? So I uh, did not took this position at this situation, but I indicated this inside my premium, looking for buy from here exactly at this situation, right? So I indicated, but I did not took it. Price went up into my direction, gave me some profits. Sorry for my English. Gave me some profits, but wait for me to execute. NQ is this. Not in yet due to news. We have the news at 10 a.m. We have the news at the 10 a.m. Eastern time and at the 7:30, I think 7:30 p.m. in the IST Indian Standard Time. So I waited for the news to drop because we cannot trade the news according to our platform rules. Okay, so I waited. price invalidated this low. News happened exactly at the 7:30. I waited for my 5-minute window, the news trading window, to close so that I can take a new trade. If price closed above this with a body closer, then I would have taken a buy at this situation. But what happened is price just failed to close above this and just sweep this high, a wick closer, a big wick closer uh, above this, showing me that this is a liquidation candle. So I waited. We see a big drop, bearish uh, candle at this situation. Also form a fair value gap right here. I marked out this order block which is inside the 50% of this fair value gap. Then I waited price to tap into this fair value gap. Price tapped into this fair value gap. Then I waited more, something like this. Like it tapped here, went down, went up, and then invalidate this low so that I can take the trade. So I waited for my for mm, like this was the price action that I wanted to see. Now at this situation, price tapped into this order block, tapped into this fair value gap exactly at the 50% level. This is what I wanted to see at the situation. And then I wanted to price to close below this low so that I can take a short position. As soon as price closed below this low, I marked out this order block and I entered right here. My stop loss was at this high and my take profit was at the 2 hour, right? Same trade I called out inside the trade alert channel. You can see it here, short ES, it means short the S&P 500. You can see my execution, you can see my stop loss as well, and see it went into my direction. Okay, as soon as price closed below this low with a body closer, I moved my stop loss at the break even. I indicated this at exactly at the same time. You can see like 9:55, I updated this 9:57 that I moved my stop loss at the break even. Okay, and I waited for my full TP to achieve, and in just a few minutes my full TP achieved. Thank you for seeing this video. I meet you in the next trade breakdown. Also, if you want to join, you can join. There is a 14-day free trial available, and also I'm gonna live trade from the Monday with my members each and every day. I will be showing my execution, my stop loss, my TP, each and everything. Not like that I will be streaming from a trading view chart, just showing my position size tool. You will be able to see my executions as well. So thank you for watching this video.